It's gonna be a brown butter maple iced latte. That's sweet and that's salty. In another cup, I'm gonna put in my 2 packets of instant coffee. Since this is salted butter, I'm gonna do that. However, if this is unsalted, I'll put a little salt. 1, 2, 2.5 teaspoons. Now put like 1 tablespoon of this maple. If you got regular syrup, go ahead and use that. That's what I would have used if I had. I'm gonna put in my milk. Use any kind you got. And put the lid on and shake it. It's good, but I don't know if I'm getting that brown butter. I'm gonna put some more. A tablespoon. So I need that taste to come through. Even with the maple, it wasn't as strong, so I'm gonna put like a teaspoon. Alright, put the lid and shake it again. Okay, I'm smelling it more now. I didn't smell it at first, but I'm tasting a little bit of it too with the coffee. It's not as sweet. It's a little sweet, but I would like it sweeter, but I want that brown butter to make a grand appearance. And that's what it's doing. All right, I'm gonna with my cold foam. I have my heavy whipping cream. All right, put in my brown butter. Probably put like a tablespoon. And put like a teaspoon of the maple. And I'm just gonna shake this up again. Let's see if it's gonna be a smell or taste. It smells like brown butter. I'm about to tell y'all to smell it. And I see like the little bits at the bottom. Yes, I definitely taste that brown butter. It's not as sweet. That's why I probably should put like just a little bit more sweetness in the regular coffee. Probably put like a half a teaspoon of maple. It's good, but you know, I just love myself a little sweet. All right, I have my ice in my cup. Now I'm pouring my cold foam. Brown butter. Yes, y'all. I don't know where my straw at, but the job gotta get done. It is. Oh, baby. I done did it. Like I said, if you seen when I did the original one with regular brown butter a few months ago, I love the smell of it, but it just solidified because, you know, when it reached a cold surface, because it's not hot coffee, over the period of time, I kept thinking about it, like, and then, you know, I got that brown butter emulsion. They don't smell nothing like no brown butter. Now, they do smell good, but it just gives like a cookie dough smell and taste. So I'm like, oh, it's something I gotta do. And I was like, I wonder if I can like make it into a syrup and see if that worked. And as you seen, it did solidify, but there still were some pieces that was like like waters, like syrup. So I'm like, okay, I wonder if the brown butter and smell still gonna be in here due to the fact that the part that solidified, I can't use that. And it's still, when I tell you it smells and it tastes just like brown butter. This is good. And like I said, I didn't have to use salt, which I usually do, even in my cold foams, but due to the fact that it was salted butter, I didn't have to do that. It's a little sweet, but not overly like sweet how I would love it to be, but it's still good because like I said, I wanted that brown butter taste to like shine through more. And it is. Made this. Would I rate this? It's not extravagant. as a lot of my other ones, but it's not meant to. This is still good. I give it a 10.5. And if you watch my channel, the 11 is the highest because I came through. I didn't give up, y'all. And delivered. Y'all know what I say.